I will go back. See what's... It looks like it's 100 feet, but it's really not. I just don't know how long it is. We can walk through here. Now I'm going to figure out by how I'm making a path out. Walk through here, so go over here. Okay, do you know what? I bet you do. Okay, let's go. This is made by Camilla Hop. G6. This is made by Camilla Hop. Awesome, Camilla Hop. Good. And now we're gonna finally see my mom again. Now the playground. Now the garden. Now, did you know that we have lots of things going in the garden? The snow plume. You're not remember. That's what we made. The big wall. These are all. That's a garden. That's good. Good. It's really windy. Let's go back. You guys will never believe this. That's my house.